Okay, good day there viewers. We're looking at an over pizza hit now. It's an example. So what I'd like you to do now is stop the video and have a go at this yourself. So capital was introduced by Anna, £30,000. A bank loan was taken out, £10,000. Cooking equipment was bought for £12,000. Flour for pizza was bought for £2,000. So what do you think that the accounting entries would look like for this? So what I'd like to do now is stop the video here and have a go at this for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to go through the answers quickly. So capital introduced by Anna. So the capital will be credited with £30,000, and the other entry will go to the bank for £30,000. So bank loan. So bank loan would increase the bank by £10,000, and bank loan account will be credited with £10,000. Now cooking equipment. Cooking equipment would increase the equipment account, so it would debit to the asset of equipment for £12,000, and the bank would be credited with £12,000. Pizza for flour for pizza, that's a purchase. So purchases would increase by debited by £2,000, and then obviously this would come from the bank, or it could come from credit. If it was bought on credit, it can come from can go to PLC as well. But here I'll do it to the bank for because it doesn't say on credit. Normally it would say on credit, so it would go to the bank, credit the bank for £2,000. Let's have a look at the entries made then. So we've got materials or purchases for £2,000, £2,000, that was the last entry we made. Capital introduced is on the debit side for cash. Capital was increased by credited by 30,000. Loan credited 10,000. Obviously this is an asset, cash asset to the bank, £10,000. Equipment is £12,000. You could have had called this purchases if you wanted. I would have as well actually. But yeah, it's fine. You can call it materials if you like. Balancing account. So the account is balanced at the end of the period, and the net amount is brought down. So after each period, the account is called netted off. So it will be netted off, and then the balance would be brought forward to the next side. So this is the way that you balance an account. The total side is the most with the most money. So you total both sides. You total the side with the most money first, and then you copy the total side figure to both sides, so the credit and the debit side, and then you put the balancing figure as the carried down figure, and then the next side will be brought down with the same figure. So let's take a look at an example of this. So this account here is being balanced. So what's happened here? This side is, can you see, is the most got the most amount of money in it, the highest value. This amount is less than that, so that is 40,000. This amount is less than 40,000. It's £26,000 less than 40,000. So we need to put this in as a balancing figure, and you title that CD. So if it was on the other side, it would be called CD as well. But anyway, it's on this side, so we call it CD 26,000, and then this this amount will be brought down to the next side for the next period. So what this is showing is that this side has got £26,000 more basically in the next period, and this is now netted off, so it's no longer relevant kind of. So each month normally this would happen. So let's have a look at an example that we can work through together. So here, right, so which side is the most on this side? It's this side, so we can total that side. So we've got 5,000, and then we have to do it to both sides. 1,000, and then we balance it, CD. So 5,000 take away 500, that will be 4,500. and then that would be BD 4,500. So that is what we take to the next period, basically. Okay, just have a look at the answer. Oh yes, we're right. Yay! Right, I'll see you in the next lesson. Good luck.